Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Immaculate 4-bedroom 2-bathroom home with open floor plan and high ceilings, crown molding throughout all living spaces. The kitchen has beautiful counters, plenty of cabinet space, and opens to the breakfast area and family room, making it easy to entertain. This freshly painted home with new wood-style flooring has a spacious living area boasting with natural light, formal dining living area, plus a breakfast area. Large master bedroom. 3 generous-sized bedrooms. Both bathrooms have been updated with modern finishes. You will fall in love. Beautiful landscaping with mature trees. Nice spacious backyard. Home did not flood.